Okay guys, I've been supporting this Kickstarter na parang, kasi di ba mahina ang tenga ni ate. So nag-support ako ng isang parang conduction daw, sa bone conduction na headphone. Sabi ko kasi para makatulong kay ate, it's called Wave X. Ito siya, pakita ko sa inyo, ayan, yan siya. So, ang tagal na nito, tagal ko na itong sinuport. Kasi nga parang sa ate ko, pinagkagastusan ko talaga kasi parang feeling ko ito yung makakatulong sa kanya pero hindi ko pa naman talaga sure. Kasi dito kasi parang pinapakita na parang may something na makakatulong talaga. So this is called Wave X1 pala, sorry. Yan. So I've been supporting this. Tapos ngayon lang dumating, oh my God! Sobrang thankful ako kay Wave X. So buksan na natin siya, then I'll be testing it and give you some reviews mamaya kung okay ba siya kay ate. Kung hindi siya, kasi nasisipunan ko, hindi siya okay kay ate, I'll be using it for myself na lang. If my sister don't like to use it because it might or it might not help her because she's having difficulty of hearing na because she's already a senior citizen. So, eto na tayo. So, upon opening, unboxing talaga ha. So, wala naman siyang ibang content. Oops! Put it there. So, there's only an instruction manual and then the Wave X itself. Tabi muna natin yan. Maybe there's something else here. And then, simple USB Type-C. Okay. And then, wala na. There's no one. Tapos, tingnan natin si Wave X kung anong itsura niya. I'll be reading this manual later on because it's so small. I need to magnify this sa phone ko and I'm still charging my phone and doing a review now. So, anyway, let's see if it is what it is that I am expecting it to be. But if not, okay, it will be my Bluetooth, it will be my Bluetooth headphone. Oh, wow, look at that, oh. Mukha naman siyang premium built, no? Oh, there's a vibration. Okay. Now, if you take it off from here, it's already vibrating. Ang galing. Oh, there's already a vibration and it's already conducting. Oh my God. Let me try. Let me try. Oh, I can feel the vibration. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, is that it? Yun na kaya bone. Oh my God. This will help my sister. Oh, there's no distortion, there's no nothing, only pure verbal conversation. Yay! Oh my God! Thank you, Wave X1! Oh my God, oh my God. I have to wear both, pero I guess this is also a USB Bluetooth headphone. Oh my God! I can hear everything clearly! Oh, at last! And it's very comfortable! I can't even feel that I'm wearing things. Only it is conduction, some sound here. So, wow! But I need to remove it because I'm not accustomed to... Maybe this is... Okay, my sister will like this very much because she's already failing with the hearing. But for me, it's too loud. But I can still wear one. Oh my God! Oh, I feel so excited kasi there's no distortion. There's no feeling of something eerie inside your ear. But I need to... let's just return it here for a while. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It will really help my sister hear better now. Thank you, Wave X1. It's worth the wait. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, if you like to buy this one and if you have somebody that doesn't or that's already failing to hear or somewhat disturbed na yung kanyang hearing, you can find this at a Kickstarter and you can still buy them and support them. Although it will be they have difficulties in production kasi, but it's all worth the wait. And I'm very excited and Tata will also be very excited to wear this one. Let me video it for you, okay? Remember, my sister has difficulty of hearing and diagnosed and recommended to wear a hearing aid, but she doesn't like to wear hearing aid because you're supposed to put it inside the ear canal. But this one, you just need to wear it like this and then voila! Okay, let me show you my sister's reaction, okay? Ito ang ingay ng TV ni Tata kasi laging malakas yan. Naku, baka makapiright ako. Teka, sandali. Ano te, mas nakakarinig ka na, no? Mas bongga na? Ayan, suot niya na, oh. Hindi masakit sa tenga. Mas malinaw na siya. May volume control siya, guys. Papaliwanag ko sa inyo lahat ng control. So, si Tata kasi medyo may hearing loss na. So, ngayon, naririnig niya na. Dalawa kasi ang function ng ano na yan ang headphone na yan. Assistive sa mga katulad ni ate. Tapos pwede rin siyang Bluetooth na audio. Okay? Pag-usapan natin yung mga controls sa... So, kapag kayo may mga elderly person whose hearing is already impaired or low hearing na sila, you can always turn to this one. It's a bit pricey because ano pa lang siya no, it's even cheaper than the normal hearing aid because yung unang hearing aid ni ate, which is yung parang pinakamura, no, the cheapest is around 20,000, but this one is around, I guess, 7,000, and it is not irritating the ear because it is only based on bone conduction here at the back. Yung cartilage nyo dito, ano ba sa Tagalog ang cartilage? Yung malambot na buto nyo dito, yan ang ginagamit niya to conduct sound inside your ear, and that the membrane inside your ear, just like yung other hearing aid na you have to put it all throughout doon sa ear canal ninyo. This one is safer and less irritating, as well as no noise background, lesser background noise, and you don't need to anything like yung mga app para magtimpla-timpla pa, yung constant na na pagtitimpla ng background noise. Now this one, you just need to press it twice in order to decrease the volume, because kapag binuksan mo na siya, guys, automatic siya, doon siya kagad sa assistive listening mapupunta. Pwede mo rin naman siyang gawing Bluetooth headphone. If you just press this button thrice, it will connect actually sa it will turn on its Bluetooth connection, and then pwede mo na siyang i-connect just like yung parang mga normal yung headphone na nako-connect lang din sa sa cellphone nyo or any type na pwedeng i-connect, like yung laptop nyo, pwede rin siya. So universal siya. Pero it is actually an assistive listening listening buds na talagang ginagamit siguro para sa mga hearing impaired, or pwede rin naman sa mga taong hindi impaired, basta yung yung tipo bang gusto mo yung kausap mo lang yung naririnig mo. Alam mo yun, yung maliwanag yung mga vocals, hindi ka masyadong gagano kahit maingay pa yung background, maliwanag yung voice. Basta you just turn down the volume kasi masyado kasi siyang malakas at first, pero kapag suot mong ganyan, so you just press this twice to lower the volume. Pag na-lower mo na yung volume, okay na. Yung parang pinaka mo lang ang maririnig mo, yung voice mo. Pero kapag ka naka-up kasi yung siguro para doon sa mga person with talaga yung too much hearing disabilities na. Pero this one is for hearing assist. Pero hindi hearing aid, ha. Pero it's better, sabi ni Tata, kaysa sa hearing aid niya. So ngayon medyo nakakairita kasi nakukuha niya pati yung background noise sa tulad na may nagpatakbo ng motor. So I need to press this twice para mag-lower yung background noise at saka yung volume niya. Press ko ng dalawa para marinig ko kayo. Ayan. So pagka ganyan, ang naririnig ko na lang, wala na masyado yung background noise. Wala nang mga tawag doon? I forgot, statics, nawawala. So, pero rinig ko ang boses na nagsasalita kahit nung nasa TV. Basta lahat ng vocals, maririnig nyo. And even yung mga something na yung mga necessary, like yung tweeting of the birds, yung alarms, naririnig nyo. Less yung mga background sounds. Ang galing! Nakakaasar! Parang na-excite nga ako, kaya pinasuot ko kay ate. Ay, salamat, sabi ko, I did it. I found the hearing assist na unit na talagang magugustuhan niya. Kaya yan, medyo nasusuot niya, nakita nyo. Pero yung hearing aid niya na 20,000, hindi niya nasusuot, nabibisit siya kasi nga masyado yung static. This one, no static at all because it's using the bone conduction method. So if I were you, if have somebody na talagang may hearing impairment sa inyo, or kahit na kayo, regular na conversation natin. For example, maingay yung background noise katulad yung sa mga concert, maganda to, tapos makakapag-usap pa rin kayo. At the same time, maririnig nyo pa rin naman yung concert. Pero siya kasi, ini-enhance niya yung mga voices. Ang galing! Sobrang ang galing! It's cheaper, it's nicer, and it's more comfortable than the regular hearing aid of my ate. And she loves it so much. Thank you, Wave X1! So, nako, it's worth the wait talaga. Nako, thank you so much!